I bet you didn't know the iPhone 17 Air could change the game. Stay tuned for all the juicy details. According to analyst Jeff Poo, the iPhone 17 Air, or should we say Slim, will sport a sleek 6.6-inch display replacing the Plus model. Under the hood, expect the blazing fast 3 nanometers, a 19 chip similar to the A18 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro models. Now, about those rumors of a 2 nanometers chip, looks like we'll have to wait for the iPhone 18. But don't worry, the excitement doesn't end there. The iPhone 17 Pro models are set to dazzle with 48MP telephoto rear cameras and 24MP front cameras, a massive upgrade from the current 12MP versions. And they're finally packing 12 GB of RAM. The Pro and Pro Max will keep their stunning 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays. Plus, no more chip splitting. The entire lineup will feature the A19 chip, keeping things fast and furious. That's your quick rundown on the iPhone 17 Air and Pro. Stay tuned for more tech updates.